3.
That's what he said now. I said, I don't know.
Ay, ganda.
Ngayon.
1, 2, 3. Ganda. Good.
Very good, very good.
Very good. Magandur. Oh, sinapapasa kasi Lola lang.
Kasi lolo sa kasi lola lang.
Only Lolo and Lola.
Only lolo and lola.
Come here, Hannah. Hannah, come back here.
Ana.
Pwedeng mapara. Nasaan na sana?
Pwede
Paraon na sana. Okay, cute ni Hannah doon, Daddy. Oh. 1, 2, 3.
I go to
Ay, cute.
tail.
Pati nga naman na may puto
Mom,
timer sa.
To be with tail.
Oh, mabiboy tails dani. May nahiling duman.
Ano ko ba ako kung hindi gusto nito?
Salamat kita. Yes, I'm going in there.
Are we here now? I'm on my way. I think they're doing a real magic trick. Look, lollipop.
Oh, yeah. The right lollipop.
We eat the lollipop. Yeah.
Look at the flower here. Flower there and here and there.
I want lollipop. I want lollipop, Mama.
Here. Oh, magayon man digdi. Ganda man. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Ano? Smile. Si Lola saka si Lolo na lang. Kamu na lang pa eh.
Out there, kung habulin daw.
I-delete mo na lang yan dyan.
That's nice.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Wow.
Kaya.
Ayan. Duman na malibot kita duman na basang.
Puro ay.
May pink doon na may pink. Ano may pink?
May mga model tigdang ano ay.
May pink. Digdi ka mo Lola oh. Abo na niya na magpara. Ate, wait. Okay, dapa. Digdi ka mo mama oh. Digdi ka mo. Diyan sa may gilid patindog mo lang dade. Yeah.
Ay. Diyan pagkatapos
Tapos ka.
ni ate.
You got toast right there.
The tulips legacy and lasting friendship.
Where?
Not picture.
No, mommy is going to take picture. Duman
Okay.
mag. Okay ma, kamu naman. Sa nagani nakatakon-takon pa. Ay, mapicture pa pala.
Okay. Sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, we're going to take some picture there. Yeah. Sige na matindog na kamo duman. Pa.
Yeah.
Yan o, magayon dan. Gayon siya.
Walang una ka yan.
Oh, kaya na. Oh,
Magkataid ka mong doon.
tatay ka mo daw yan. Yan. Yan na. Oh, yan o. A gift of tulips, a symbol of gratitude. Ate loves to read these things. Ate, the tulip has become the symbol of friendship between the Netherlands and Canada. It celebrates Canada's dual role as liberator of the country and safe haven for Princess Juliana during the Second World War. And thanks, Princess Juliana gave 100,000 tulip bulbs to Canada after the war. Since then, the Dutch royal family and the Dutch Bulb Growers Association have each sent 10,000 tulip bulbs to Canada every year. Wow, nice. Hana, pretty. Oh, si Hana baga pretty dito, oh. Oh, ganda. Okay, let's go now.
Okay, no picture.
Let's move on to the next spot. Let's go now. The picture of Hannah. She doesn't want to take any pictures. Oh, pink! Wow, pink over there.
Pink.
Wow, pink! Let's
Pink.
go. Your favorite color, pink.
Let's go back. Okay, dali.
Pag may cotton